Since 1980, residents of Greensboro, McLeansville, Burlington, and the neighboring communities have been trusting L&O Auto Body Repair to complete major and minor cosmetic restoration on their import or domestic vehicles. Following any accident, our team of certified collision repair technicians will work hard to return your vehicle to its showroom look and restore its factory safety specifications. Our state-of-the-art repair facility can handle any service, including paintless dent removal and frame straightening. If you have been involved in an accident, give L&O Auto Body Repair a call. We'll work with your insurance company to get repairs completed quickly and affordably, no matter how big or small they may be. Visit our website to learn more about our Collision Repair Center in McLeansville, or give us a call today to schedule an appointment.